Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to edit videos using text with Pictory AI. It's very simple guys, just click in the link in my description and open and sign up to Pictory AI and use promo code WORKOUT55 for 20% off of your subscription plan. So first thing you need to do is click here on proceed, and then as you can see it will load up this YouTube link. And you can just paste YouTube video. So let's say I will paste this Elon Musk YouTube video, then paste it here and click proceed and choose number of speakers. So how many of people are speaking in your video. So in my instance there are 2, so I will choose 2 and then click on proceed. So when the video is done transcripting, it will throw you into this editor. Here you can change project name. So let's say Elon Musk. And here you can change your transcript. As you can see, Elon Musk used a lot of ums and filler words, and you can remove them simply by clicking here, remove filler words. And when you do that, all of these red words will be removed automatically. You can also remove silences from your video and choose how many seconds the silence have to be removed. So I will choose 2-second silences, remove them, click on OK. And it will do just that. Then another thing you can do is auto highlight, which is pretty good feature. So stay tuned for this one. You can choose auto highlight, for example, 5% of the whole video. So it is 50-minute video. I can boil it down to 2 minutes 44 seconds, or I can do 50% of the video, however I would like. So I will do 5% to show you. And now as you can see, everything that is highlighted in green will be in the video, and everything that's not will not be in the video. As you can see right here, you can choose if you want the video be landscape, portraits, or square. And down here you can choose template. If you would like template of your subtitle be different, I will choose this default because I really like it. And you can easily as that select your text like this and click remove from highlights. And now it will be not in the video, so you cut it out using text edit. Or you select this sentence and add to highlights. And easily as that, this sentence will be in the video. So this is how you edit the video with text in Pictory. Then you have to download highlights video in order to see your video in full. So click on download, choose quality. So I will choose this lower quality so it downloads quickly. You can always choose Full HD. Click on download highlight video. And now as you can see, my video is generated. So I will click on it and you can see that you can copy link, export audio, export text, or download your video. So I will copy link and you will click copy link, open new tab, paste the link in the Google search and now click enter. And you can view your video right here.
So in just a few minutes, Elon Musk will be joining us here live on stage for a conversation. And what I saw there was honestly pretty mind-blowing. So I took the chance to sit down with him and record an epic interview. And I just want to show you an 8-minute excerpt of that interview.
Well, I mean, admittedly, these may be an infamous last words, but I actually am confident that we will solve it this year, that we will exceed. You're saying like what the probability of an accident, at what point do you exceed that of the average person? Right. It's like, well, yet another year went by.
And as you can see, your video is easily as that transcripted, and you can edit it using this transcript really easily. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And don't forget to check out the link in the description to sign up to Pictory and use promo code WORKOUT55 to get 20% off of your subscription. Thank you again and bye bye.